She was probably one of the most confident people ever worked with on a project, because the way she would articulate things made me believe in her. I kid you not. Like, she could be dead wrong, but because she articulated things in such a confident way, I believed everything she said. Even if the project was wrong, even if the problem was wrong, I just believed everything because she was so charismatic. So charismatic. And I hope I'm conveying this message to you guys as well in a very charismatic kind of tonality, in a confident tonality, that if you convey your message with confidence, people will believe you. And if you are wrong, just apologize, move on, and adjust, right? But when you tell these stories to a crowd, when you portray your charisma, show it with confidence. I repeat myself one more time. Show it with confidence. Talk with confidence. Like right now, as I'm looking into the camera, I'm portraying confidence and charisma. The reason this is so important is because if you are to lead a company, if you are to lead a team with your vision, you need to be confident. At Google, one of my managers was so confident. He believed that we were going to execute on a project. And even if we were to fail, I would still ride with him. I would still go the extra mile with him because he was so confident that we were going to do things. And if we were wrong, we were going to find out why we were wrong, fix it, execute, do better. That is a great leader. The reason you need to be charismatic is because in order for you to be a great leader, people need to believe in your vision. They need to believe in your journey. They need to believe that what we are going through is worth it because you are our leader and we believe it, right? And this charisma is not born overnight. It's all through hard work. It's all through eliminating the beliefs that you can't do something, right? It's all through doing all this hard work. A lot of my charisma has come from showing myself that I can achieve anything I set my mind to. It has come from getting a job at Google, where 0.01% of people get a job at. It has come from getting accepted into UCLA. It has come from becoming a top 1% earner. It has come from building Angelo Carlos Talks, from building Angelo Carlos Podcast, from being able to share everything I've learned with the world, because I truly believe that what I'm teaching you guys will help you become the best version of yourself and help you become a leader in this world to make this world a better place, okay? So whenever you talk, I need you to talk with confidence. Talk with the faith, knowing what you're saying is true. And if you're wrong, be brave enough to admit that you're wrong, apologizing, and changing course to make sure you do things the right way, okay? Those are really important things you need to do in order to talk and become charismatic. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to go over how to leave conversations and how to leave the room after having your charismatic conversation, okay? So, exiting gracefully is probably one of the more important and fun skills you can develop whenever you have a conversation with someone, right? Whenever I leave a conversation, I always say, thank you, person's name. Let's say, thank you, Jeff. I love this conversation about whatever we talked about. Let's just say food. I love talking about food with you. We gotta chat it up sometime again in the future.